On page 27, we're going to talk about horizontal and vertical lines. So all points on a horizontal line have the same y-coordinate. Now I'm just going to sketch. A horizontal line is one that looks like this, where it's flat. The equation of a horizontal line, because all the points on the line have the same y-coordinate, it's going to be y is going to be equal to that, whatever that y-coordinate is for that point. So we'll call it, I don't know, I'm just going to call it coordinate. So whatever that repeating one is. So all points on a vertical line, and a vertical line looks like this. So you need to know what a horizontal line looks like and a vertical line looks like, so that it helps you think through these problems. All points on a vertical line, you see, has the same x-coordinate. And the equation of the vertical line is going to be x is equal to whatever that repeating coordinate is. So there's some number that's going to go on that right side for both of those. There's an acronym. Some people like acronyms to help them remember things. So HOI, so the H refers to the word horizontal, so horizontal lines. And the O is going to reflect that it has a slope of 0. So the O looks like a 0. And then the Y is that it's the equation. It's going to be a Y equals 2, and then whatever the Y coordinate is for all those points, it's going to look like that. And then Vox is going to be a vertical line. So if I have a vertical line, I will know that it has an undefined slope. And the equation is going to be x is equal to whatever all the x's are equal to on that particular line. So HOI Vox, if that helps you remember as you work through these problems that look like these below. Write an equation of each line described. So I think sometimes it helps to kind of picture it. So this is a vertical line through the point 47. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a vertical line, so it's going to be looking this way. So I want to write an equation so you can see that all the x coordinates are all 4. So it's the same as whatever this x is right here. So the vertical line through 4, 7 is going to have an equation of x is equal to 4. Undefined slope. Didn't ask for that, but that was a little extra. A horizontal line through 4, 7 then would look like this. There's my horizontal line, and it's going through this point 4, 7. And so it's going to be y is equal to, and what's every point on that line is going to be 7. So again, it's going to, here's your y coordinate right there. So y is 7. We don't really have to graph it, but it does help us kind of picture what's happening. Then example 8 says write an equation for each line described. It has a 0 slope. So we need to think what kind of a line has a 0 slope, and that would be a horizontal line. So that should come to mind. And in a horizontal line, we know that it's going to be y is equal to. Now that's where your HOI Vox might help, because I got a 0. If I see the 0 slope, then I think HOI. Oh, HOI is a horizontal line, and it's got y. Y is equal to. And so I'm going to look for what my y value is right there, which is 1. So it's going to be y is 1. So the point 2, 1, which is here, it's horizontal. There's my 0 slope right there. So that's that. You can see all the y values are 1. So this is my answer. And then B, an undefined slope. So again, there's my U, which makes me think of Vox. So that is a vertical line. So if I had to sketch it, it's going to be again through 2, 1. It's going to be a vertical line, so it's going to be this. And when I write an equation, it's going to be, there's your x right there. X is equal to whatever the x is in my point, which is 2. So all the x's on that line are 2.